Say recording?
Yeah.
Well, you about got crapped on. Oh, he's so loud. They whistle really loud. Here, see if you can get him off.
Oh.
Here, I got you.
It tickles, it tickles.
Oh, it tickles so much. And they're really loud. That whistle is very
this is not
loud.
for people who have a bird phobia. Don't eat my face. Don't eat my face.
His wings are very soft. And his feathers.
He's like, I really don't want you to do that. Stop it.
We're just playing, aren't we? We're just playing.
Nope.
There he comes. Nice smooth handoff. Here he comes.
Oh, that was really funny. You looked right in the camera.
Oh, it tickles so much on my neck. Oh. Okay, here. Come here. Come here, buddy.
He's just trying to eat your finger. Hold on.
Oh. Oh, it tickles. It's on my head. Oh, that really tickles. Oh, wow.
He's just going to stay up there.
Ah.
Stop moving. There, I got him.
Oh, that tickled.
Eat my ring.
That really tickled the head.
Okay, why don't you go over here?
There you go. Thank you. Bye-bye. 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 Nope.
Oh, no, you got him back now.
No, here.
Here.
There you go, buddy. Nope. Come on. I didn't want to do this again. I was saying bye. Come on. Oh, he's back on my head. Oh.
Come here.
Whew.
There we go.
All right. Bye-bye.